In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save in Pixlr Express. Now, once you have your design already and you want to download, it's really simple. All we have to do is come here to where we see this little blue Save button. If we click on there, we then have a few different options. So with JPEG, we can play with the quality, with high, medium or low, and the width. Then with PNG, we can actually choose to be transparent as well, and then we have a few options with WebP, PDF and PXC. Now to download this, all we have to do is click on Save As, then name our design and just click Save, and then your design has been saved. Now please note that there is a limit, a daily limit on how many saves you can do. So currently they only have 3 saves per day, unless you pay for the premium. Now you can actually get a 7-day free trial as well, but it is also extremely cheap if you choose to purchase, with unlimited saves only being $1.99 per month. But nonetheless, that's how to save your images here in Pixlr Express. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.